Since the start of the coronavirus pandemic, Kuwait Petroleum Corporation has played a prominent role in the national fight against COVID-19.
KPC has provided significant contribution to the establishment of several COVID-19 vaccination centers across the state of Kuwait, including Kuwait's first drive-through center on the Sheikh Jaber Al Ahmed Al Sabah Causeway. Adra has more.
Since the beginning of the epidemic, the competent authorities have worked to provide the necessary health care to citizens and residents, where KOC helped to provide equipment and work on the establishment of vaccination center and medical inquiries in the state of Kuwait.
Our role as oil sector started at the early days of the COVID-19 pandemic when the Council of Ministers assigned to the oil sector represented by KPC to start working on the quarantines, namely the southern quarantine executed or constructed by Quebec, and the northern quarantine, Redga quarantine, which we call, which was done and constructed by KOC. Later on, when the vaccination issue came up to the surface, we were assigned the preparation and construction of the vaccination center in Kuwait International Exhibition Ground in Mishrif. In addition to the two vaccination centers that were constructed or executed by the oil sector, an additional vaccination center was constructed in Ahmadi area to help also speed up the vaccination process. And that vaccination center is a center for the oil sector employees and their families,
where KPC provided its services to help maintain the safety of the citizen by helping to quickly establish the vaccination center Sheikh Jaber Al Ahmed Bridge, where work was done on the center and the speed of the completion of vaccination center within 20 days to be ready to work. This contribution from the KPC in fight against COVID-19 in cooperation with Quebec company, where it worked to complete the infrastructure of the center and work to provide all services. This was Adra Jaber reporting to Kuwait English News.